What's going on? Got some new parts in HKS turbo outlet. So we will be installing this, and got a Cusco downpipe as well. HKS. Everything's in Japanese. Won't be able to read it. Won't do us any good. But we have a diagram. Pictures should help us a little bit. So the gaskets and hardware should help us out. Very nice looking welds. I mean, it's HKS, so definitely high quality stuff. So this should definitely open it up a lot more. It's a dual bypass, so let's get this thing on, check it out. All right, next up we got the Cusco downpipe. So it is used, I got it from Up Garage, from mainland. They shipped it here to the island, so looks pretty straightforward. Looks like a nice design, so went with this one instead of buying it new. I mean, it looks pretty much brand new anyways, so went with this, saved a little bit of cash. So we're gonna install these two pieces here and see what the performance is gonna be like. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit this real quick, make sure everything fits before we go and try to install it. It lines up perfectly, so we should be good. Now we're just gonna go down to the shop and get this thing installed.
Alright, got everything lifted up. Gonna be taking off the downpipe this time, saving you guys all a little bit of ass pain trying to get those rusted bolts loose. So finally got them loose. Gonna take that off right now and take off this piece. Take out the turbo outlet. There you can see like the O2 sensor. Take that off. There's bolts on the bottom and bolts on the top. So I took off the bolt on the bottom. I think I'm gonna lower the car and try to take the bolts off from the top while the car's, when I bring it down. So I'm gonna try that out, see how it works. All right, so it's gonna take off this heat shield here to get some more room to get to the sensor. So I was taking things apart, trying to get the heat shield off. There's some bolts down there you can barely see, really hard to get to. So kind of just abandoned that idea. And you have to have this special tool to get the sensor off, unless you have some type of ratchet or something to get it across the threads here, which I didn't. So luckily I have the tool here. So now it's loose. So there's one bolt left holding on the turbo outlet. I'm going to lift up the vehicle and try to get it from the bottom because I can't really see where that last bolt is. So I'm going to lift it up and try to get it out. Alright, so I got the heat shield off. So now I think I can get to the bolts from the top of the turbo. So I'll try that out. So, got it swapped out. Definitely a lot lighter and a lot better airflow for sure. So, got the downpipe on. Too bad I couldn't get the turbo outlet on. I was literally one bolt away. Thanks to Ms. Malology over there, he let me borrow some tools. Check him out on his YouTube. But yeah, I was one bolt away. Maybe next time I'll order some new tools, because right now I'm just using the standard tools I have here. But order some tools, maybe get into that trickier spot and get that situated. So that's it for now. Gonna double check everything and then go for a test drive. What's going on, everybody? All right, so we got some new JL GTO 629 speakers. Gonna be putting it in to the rears there. This was kind of a pain in the ass to get out because it was just stuck in there. But now that we have everything out, we're going to undo the speakers, plug the new ones in, bolt everything back up, and hopefully get some good sound out of these. We'll see. All right, just finished up swapping the first one. About to do the second one, just to give you guys a comparison here. So here's the old one. It looks like it was upgraded to an Eclipse. So this was definitely back in the day. You can tell it's a lot older model. See the difference in the way they manufacture the newer style speakers. So yeah, you guys can hear that. It was definitely blown, so it sounded like shit. So definitely gonna get this upgraded. All right, finally getting around to installing the front speakers. Got the rear ones already installed, as you saw. So I'm going to be working on the fronts now. Going to be upgrading these old tweeters and the old Eclipse there. Got some new Kenwood. And some new JBL front speakers. Alright, we're here today, back at the shop. As you guys can see, got the entire bottom undercoated. For a pretty good price here. So today we're going to take the HKS and delete it with the Cusco drag rod. So right now I got the Cusco coilovers. Going to go into the blue theme with the Cusco drag rod HKS delete. About to get started on that. First thing we're going to do is start disconnecting the wires and start taking off the bolts, and then move on to the rod. I disconnected the wires. This one went up here, disconnected to there, and basically just all the plugs. Pretty simple. And just cut the little tab that was holding it all together. Now it's just free. We'll clean it up once we get everything off here. Alright, so change of plans. The shop I took my car to last time kept the wheel lock nut, so we couldn't get the rest of the job done. But taking off the alternator on R34 DTST, gonna replace that. Starting to die out a little bit here and there, so once we get that replaced, should be good. Okay, we got the old alternator out. We're gonna use the old pulley system. It was a pain in the ass to get to way down there, but we got it out. So now we're gonna get the new one in and see how it runs. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe.